Okay, so me work lo make him all review law translation and all principle law translation or number one big thing law translation law STI Yumi naturalness, clarity, accuracy. So tani make him review lo work do miye na work lo all volunteer. Me by check him suppose accurate and clear na natural. So now me check him work lo miye na by me reading talk pisin. First time how I'm stop na no clear na me make him clear. So first time also translation do me bin behind in English. Na me write him also all one time Peter, one Narapla disciple. All this triple man, plenty time also stop one time Jesus. Time me read him again, me no clear. So me make him one la senis lo grammar. Me senis him personal pronoun all, equal noun. So me change him this la personal pronoun all, na me put him noun. James, na John, one time Peter. One another disciple. All this triple man, plenty time also stop one time Jesus. Okay. So time me look lo all translation, I make him review. But me suggest him senis lo grammar, senis lo terminology, lo come up in accuracy, lo come up in clarity, na lo come up in naturalness. Okay, little talk 7 mila make him na money.